Your e-Vitara is smart, but what if your entire ownership experience could be smarter, simpler, and completely stress-free? Welcome to Factful Fridays. Today, let's explore how the Maruti Suzuki's E4Me app makes your e-Vitara ownership experience truly enriching by bringing control, convenience, and peace of mind right to your fingertips. With the e-Vitara, you get access to a wide charging network across Maruti Suzuki dealer locations and partner-operated charging stations across Pan-India, giving you the freedom to charge your vehicle wherever you go. And finding the right charger is just as effortless. The E4Me app lets you locate nearby charging stations using intuitive filters right on your phone screen. With simple color coding, you can quickly identify charger availability. Green for available stations and orange for busy stations. You can also check slot availability at your preferred location. You can even pre-book your Maruti Suzuki dealer charger, ensuring your next charging session is planned, seamless and stress-free. Once you reach the charging station, the E4Me app gives you complete control. You can customize your charging session based on amount, preferred duration or the exact charge level you need. For added convenience, the E4Me app also offers smart charging with two easy options: Tap and Charge and Auto Charge. With Tap and Charge, you can add your RFID card details in the E4Me app. Once added, simply tap your RFID card at the charger to start charging. For an even smoother experience, just plug in the charging gun and use the Auto Charge option to initiate charging. The app also helps you stay informed at every step by letting you track your charging status in real time. Once charging is complete, you can view your charging history so you always stay updated and in control. And it gets even better. The E4Me app allows you to save or bookmark your favorite charging stations so you can quickly find them whenever needed. With your e-Vitara charged and road ready, E4Me's Trip Planner lets you map your journey and find charging points along the way. The E4Me app also allows one account to be shared across multiple users, keeping everyone connected to the e-Vitara experience. So why wait? Download the E4Me app from the Play Store or App Store. Add your e-Vitara in the My Vehicle section and start enjoying its key features. What car care tip do you want next? Comment below. Stay tuned for more Factful Fridays.